Hello everyone, I am Aditya Gaikwad, roll number 21 EC30004. In this video, I will be disassembling a Wi-Fi router. As you can see, it's in a perfectly working condition. Let's go ahead and disassemble it. Now let's have a look at the components inside the router. The green color board which you see is the motherboard. The stick which you see is the antenna. Now if I turn the router, you can see there is one ADSL port, there are 4 LAN ports, one power button and a button which is used to turn on and off the router. The wire which you see on the screen is the wire which connects the motherboard to the antenna. Let's have a closer look at this. Now let's look at the switch. The push button has a spring attached to it, and let's see the working. If you wish to have a closer look at the motherboard, you can even remove it from the case, then have a closer look at it. On the motherboard, as you can see, there are 2 white LEDs and there are 7 green LEDs. Let's have a closer look at the motherboard. There are some circuitry components. Now let us reassemble the router and see if we can bring it back to the working condition. As you all can see, the Wi-Fi router is back to the normal working condition. Thanks for watching.